So I'm here at the Airbnb that I booked and I'm about to enter. So let's see what it looks like. Alright. Hi. Okay, bye. Alright. This is the room I booked. Let me just close this. That's how the outside is. That was the patio area. And yeah, the bathroom is outside. I knew this before I booked. This is one of the things that you need to find out before you book the place. So I knew this and I was okay with it. Alright. I'm not here for like a month, so I'm fine. There's a kitchen area. Nice. There's a toaster oven. Microwave. Little fridge. Is it plugged in? It's not. I guess I'm gonna have to plug that in. A fan and my little bed. And a little, I guess, eating area. And me. Haha. And the TV. The guest manual. And I guess just information. So it's just a little cozy spot. As I said, I'm not here for a long time. Plus, I won't be in the room itself for the majority of the time. I will be like walking up and down, going places. So this was fine for me. If you're not fine with these kinds of rooms, obviously Airbnb has other options. So yes, if you're not comfortable with these kind of small spaces, remember that you do have options on Airbnb. You can do luxury if you want. You can do a whole house if you want. Whatever you want, you can do that on Airbnb, okay? But as I said, I am fine with this, so that's why I booked it. I would not book something that I'm not fine with. It is hot here in Grenada. I am pretty surprised at that. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like very rainy or something like that. But yeah, it's hot, it's dry, and as you can see, I'm sweating. Like you can see the perspiration. So I'm gonna wash my face, lie down a little bit. It's now 10 minutes to 12 in the afternoon. So I actually left Trinidad at around 10 o'clock and the flight reached here 10:30. So it was a 30-minute flight. That's the shortest flight I've ever taken to date. 30 minutes. Oh, let me take this off. It's hot. Yeah, so that was a 30-minute flight. And of course, the first time I was taking that small plane. Obviously, it's not the smallest plane, but that was the first time for me. So that was a big deal. But yeah, so it's just minutes to midday now. I'm gonna rest a little bit because I am a little beat. I do have a slight headache. I don't want to carry that on the road with me because I know that the sun also affects that for me, for my headaches. So what I'm gonna do is go in the bathroom, wash my face, wash my hands, get my phone charging because it's dying. The battery is almost dead, and just lie down a little bit. Then I'll figure out what's my next move. I know I do want to go to the supermarket. I always try to book Airbnbs with a little kitchenette. I showed you the kitchenette. I always try to book an Airbnb with that so that I can actually cook, my own food. Not saying that I won't buy food. Obviously, I want to try, Grenadian cuisine. But I also want to cook my own, like probably breakfast, I want to make my own little egg sandwich or whatever. So I'm going to go to the supermarket and see what I can get there. One thing that is annoying so far, Grenada kind of lose points for that, is that, I'm distracted, sorry. Yeah, they don't have a cambio in the airport and they don't have any ATM in the airport. Like, why? Where they do that at? Hello, it's an airport, an international airport at that. why don't you have a cambio? But even if you don't have a cambio, why don't you have an ATM, not one ATM? So I didn't have any EC dollars, which is Eastern Caribbean dollars with me. I only have $20 and I have some US with me. And the taxis don't take though. I think the taxi, they will take US. If, yeah, they will take US, because just a while ago he asked me if do you have any US? You have 20 US? Sir. Anyways, because I didn't have the change in the EC dollars. Anyways, so yeah, I have to take a taxi to the ATM and then have them take me to the Airbnb. Like, why? Hello? Why? When we put the, oh Jesus, someone put the money. Oh, hello? Suppose we lose, that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how their money looks. It does have the queen on it. So I have a $100. That's their 100. So it has a queen on this side, and then Sir Arthur Lewis on the other side. But like that's kind of see-through, and I love the material. This is the material that a lot of countries are using nowadays for their money. I love it. Very durable. So I have 100, and then I have a 20 and a 10. Let me show you those. Can't lose the money now. 20 again has the queen on it. It's a red note. Same type of clear design there. And then on the other side, it's the Government House Montserrat. Why Montserrat? Huh? Okay, it shows Government House of Montserrat, and then it shows this Nutmeg Grenada. And then the $10 again has the queen on it. It's a blue note. Jamaica $10 used to be blue. If you remember that, please drop some blue hearts in the comment section. Okay? And the back has Admiralty Bay, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and the Warspite Anguilla. So whatever those mean, that's what's there, right? So I do have some EC dollars finally. But yeah, they do have to fix that. That's quite inconvenient, because the taxi drivers at the airport are charging you more there, because them say apparently the base fare to go to like this, oh gosh, it's raining, watch out. Apparently the base fare to go to like the city center, which is St. George's, is $40, right? So if you're going anywhere within that vicinity, is $40. Now the ATM is also $40. Now my Airbnb, I would think it's in the same vicinity, but because they have to go to the ATM and then turn and go back, them charging $10 more. So I end up paying $50, which it really should have been $40. So that's an inconvenience to tourists, in my opinion. You know, you could have eliminated that by having some cambios there, or at least one. It's a small airport, so one is fine. Or if you don't have no cambio, have an ATM. So I'm glad I found, well, I'm glad he took me to an ATM, and I'm glad that my card actually works. Hello, thank you, NCB. I was really doubting it, but it works, so thank God. Yeah, so that is it for now. As I said, I'm gonna just wash up, lie down, get my phone charged, figure out what I'm going to do, go on Google Maps and try to figure out where I am, you know, and how close everything is. And I want to get to the supermarket this evening, and I'm definitely going to buy something to eat. So probably I'm going to try their KFC. I do have a video, or well, a reel, Instagram reel coming out about different KFCs, so stay tuned to that on my food channel. That's Explorer Foodies. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for now. Okay, later. So I am resting. Fortunately, I found a park, a public park, I'm glad to see a little green space. You know, it's not very green. It's pretty dry, but you know, just the open space, open air. And the beautiful thing about Grenada right now, you don't have to wear masks. I guess it's advised. It's not mandatory. So nobody here has on any mask, including myself. But it's really cool out, really cool and nice. So I'm going to eat. I just bought KFC because it was the easiest thing. I did get my grocery. The first supermarket I went to, they didn't have bread. They didn't have like any type of bread at all. I don't know if they ran out or something, but today's Tuesday, so that's strange. It wasn't a very well stocked supermarket, let's just say that, right? But the second one I got to, it looks like more touristy in terms of it's in a more central location, and it had a lot of stuff. So when I get home, I'll give you guys a mini haul as to what I got at the supermarket. Right now I'm gonna eat. Ketchup, napkin, and I ordered a 2-piece and a 5-piece hot wings, but they didn't have any hot wings. That's what it looks. I ordered a 2-piece. This looks like more than 2. 1, watch out, 2, 3. They give me a 3-piece. Ha ha ha. So see, 2, 1 combo 2-piece. I changed the soda for water, fries, ketchup. So I ordered a 2-piece. It came up to $17.50. Conversion there for you, but they gave me a 3-piece, so that's amazing. Just say so myself. All right, so let's do the taste. Where I am, the park, it's also, it looks like it's right in front of the beach. So it's behind me. I'll show you guys after I'm finished eating. Let's see what this tastes like. Fries. The fries look very pale. And them skinny. Ooh. Lalo. Tastes like oil. Seriously? This definitely have to eat with ketchup. Definitely. It tastes like when you buy frozen fries in the supermarket and you fry it at home. That's probably exactly what they do. Not good. Alright, let's try the chicken quickly. So I ordered hot and spicy. Let's see. I can't tell if this is a rib or I don't know. Let's just bite into it. Okay. It's not the worst KFC I've had, but definitely not the best. Bomba! No. Alright, crow there. Watch out. Hello? The crow them there, guys. Knock up my box. Get away. No, get. Oh, no one's gonna pick me. Hello? You like this song on my yard. And fly gone. But I just remember the video with the bird. We take out the people in pizza and fly all the way gone with it. I don't want that to be happening here. Hello? But yeah, the chicken is not bad. It's spicy, not the spiciest. It's not as spicy as Jamaican spicy. But it's not bad. But the fries, But as I say, it's not the worst KFC I've had. The worst KFC I've had is at... This damn bird is back. Is Korea KFC. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna go pack up. I don't like them bird there. This is the park. It's beside I believe that's a resort. It's really pretty. That's the bathroom. You pay $1 to like use the toilets. I think $2 or $3 to like take showers. Because remember, the beach is right there behind us, and they have a little swing and jungle gym as well for the kids. So that's pretty cool. All right, now we're heading to the beach area. Jungle gym, seesaw, whatever that round one is, swings. A lot of almond trees. Beautiful drums lined up all the way up top. Alright guys, so this is what I got at the supermarket. So bear in mind I'm staying here for 5 days. So I'm here now Tuesday, this is when I arrived. I'm here for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm leaving on Sunday. So 4 full days, and then you don't have to count Sunday because I'm leaving on an early flight. So I bought 2 noodles. Some plantain chips. It's 4 packs. This is just for snacks, but I wanted to try, get to something healthy. So this is healthier than like Doritos. So I don't think I'm gonna finish all of this though, so I'll bring back some home. I got this. This is to bring home as well. This is some chocolate. You know the style, like what we do in Jamaica. They do a similar thing here. So there's some chocolate balls, and they actually give you some cinnamon, a cinnamon bark and cinnamon beef. Make your chocolate. So this is to take home. I bought 2 of them. It was pretty cheap for real chocolate, $5.75. So that's for home. I saw this. So I was trying to decide if I should get tea or like a coffee mix, but I'm saying I'm not gonna be here for like more than 5 days, so it don't make sense I buy a sachet of tea with 20 bags. Or the coffee mixes with like 10. So I just bought this. I'll just mix this in the morning. I don't like to have Lasco hot, so I'll just have it cold. I really did want something like tea though, but whatever. I bought this bread. I don't know what kind of bread it is, but it looks interesting, so I took it up. It kind of looks like a cheese bread or cornbread, but I don't know. And it's just regular bread ingredients, but it looks interesting. So it's 2 of them, and I'll have that with this that I bought. Chicken Vienna sausage, just 1 tin. And then I also bought some cream cheese. So I'll mix the cream cheese and the Vienna sausage because I don't have like any mayo or anything like that. So I'll mix that with the bread. So beef patty in the supermarket, Jamaican beef patty. So I bought one just to try it out to see if if it's authentic. I want to show you guys the color. The color looks authentic. See that? So hopefully it tastes good too. And And then I bought this water. This is 1.5 liters. And then when I got the KFC, instead of the soda, I asked them for water, which is smart. That's extra water. And then I also bought a roll of tissue. There's one that came with the Airbnb, but I just bought another one just in case I'll need extra. And that's my little supermarket haul for my 4-day trip here. And of course, this is just what I'll make for like breakfast, or if I don't feel like eating out, I'll have something here for dinner. But otherwise, I will try to buy something on the road. Not too much, obviously, because I have food. But there's one thing I definitely want to try, and that's the oil down. That I think is unique to Grenada or to the Eastern Caribbean. I've never tried that before. So I want to try that for dinner one day. I think they have it for dinner. I'm not even sure. Other than that, this will last me. Very new apartment complex, and we are across from, this is a part of St. George's University. But bam, I wonder if I should go down there. There's a path. Yeah, so I have to walk through the campus to get to the House of Chocolates. It's a good thing I asked, because I was walking and just could not find it. So I asked the security if I'm close to House of Chocolate. She's like, oh, it's actually on the campus. And I said, oh, so can I go in there? I'm not a student. I'm also not a resident. And then she asked if I'm fully vaccinated, which of course, yes, I am. So she said I can go, and she's giving me the direction. Let me show you guys something. This is a beautiful school campus, though. Very beautiful. I believe they do veterinary science here. Guys, are this the lady sent me to? Isn't that House of Chocolate? It's the House of Chocolate ice cream, and it's closed. What's going on here? This is just university. I'm so confused. Yeah, look at the sea in the background. Yeah. Alright, now I don't know what I'm gonna do, because why she never tell us that the House of Chocolate lock? I don't understand. And I thought it was an actual store, not a container or whatever that is. But I'm pretty sure I've seen online like an actual store, so I don't understand, man. So I'm gonna have to go back to Google. I'm gonna try to see if they have Wi-Fi here so I can connect. If not, oh my gosh, if not, I'm gonna just try to go to the city center, which is St. George, and find something else to do. I don't know. I had a plan for today. I had House of Chocolate. I had beach, not this beach because it's not a beach. There's a lot of like seaweed. I don't know if you can see the dark spots and stuff. There's a lot of like seaweed in this beach, so it's not a good swimming beach. And I also had, what else I had on my list today? House of Chocolates, beach. There was something else. Anyway, yeah, but I'm gonna have to find where's the actual House of Chocolate, because this is not it. And if this is it, it's closed. She could have just said so, like, hello? I mean, maybe she never know. She's a security guard, but Jaja. Anyway, it was a far walk. Also, I forgot my water at home with no vitamin C in it. So now I'm gonna go buy something to drink. So I'm gonna sit down and sort it myself, see what I need to do next. So Fort George is up this steep hill. I am out of breath because Jesus, there's some more steep hills. Whew. Oh, finally made it. Jesus. Political thing. Yeah, the vehicles are moving. Load. Finally found it, guys. In the city center itself. House of Chocolates.
You go in there. I just so that's the Is coming out? Is it?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Right. Oh yeah, you take a picture. Alright, so you see. So you can smell it, keep going.
Oh, I smell it.
Alright. Hold on,
Okay.
So you can smell this.
Like,
It's wetty,
soft too.
right?
Wow.
Wow, so pure, that's pure cacao. Now what happened? The companies will spin this for 2 days.
2 days.
until it comes a liquid. And then they would put it out for chocolate sheet.
Right.
No, the company would put this in a pressing machine and press the butter out the oil. It would run out brown, and when it's dry, this is a natural color.
Cocoa oil, cocoa butter.
So this is 100%, no additives. And this is what remain. When you grind this down, you get hot chocolate.
Okay.
But this is 100%. What you get from the companies is 3 and 7%.
Sugar
And all the trash they put in it. No, I'm serious. Wow. So this is good for every problem with your skin. And in 15 minutes.
It hardens. Okay.
So this, when you use this, it tightens your skin, face. I always tell the fashion ladies to use this because it's good for you to take care of marks, everything. Okay, but you know in Grenada we drink this. So we drink
the cocoa butter.
We drink the cocoa with everything. Yeah, we call this cocoa tea.
Oh, we have something similar as well.
Yeah, so you put this in water for 3 to 5 minutes, let it dissolve, and then you add sugar, milk, whatever.
Oh, what we do is grate it.
Grate it,
yeah.
Yeah,
And then
when we
add
put
the
it,
water.
Yeah. When we put the hot water boiling, it melts it, and then we must add our spices.
Right.
And then you guys, yes. so Grenada has the best cocoa. Yeah, we Hershey's and all the major companies buy our cocoa to flavor the cocoa they get from Ghana, Mexico, and other countries. Yeah, because
That's
the quality here is top quality. And I met a nice guy from Jamaica. Nice guy, nice. He came for the first year as well.
Okay, y'all. So I am finally back in. As you can see, your girl is sweating. It was a hike, literal hike to come up here. But I'm glad I'm back. Super tired, feet hurting, back hurting. So I'm gonna rest well tonight. Yeah, I definitely did extra walking today, like more walking than I expected to do today, which is always good because that's exercise. So that's good for me. And I'm also must say that this makeup stood up. I mean, I didn't do a full coverage, so you can see my moles still poking out and my black spots, dark spots. But look at the eye makeup. I still look pretty though, like cute, sweaty cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna take off my makeup, take off my clothes, go and take a shower, and then I'm gonna eat. I'll show you guys what I bought. I bought some local food. I wanted oil down, so the search for oil down still is happening. I wanted oil down. I really want to try oil down because it's unique to Grenada. I think I mentioned it before, but I didn't get it. I went to 2 restaurants with a local person, and he's like, yo, they run out, you know. So apparently it's very popular as well. So I didn't get it. Hopefully tomorrow I'll luck out. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully I do get to try it before I leave, you know, because where else will I get it authentic than here in Grenada? It's like after 3 now, so that's actually not bad. That's early. I always want to try to get back in as early as I can, just not too late, like not like when it's dark, you know, just because I don't know the area. I figure it's not violent because Grenada is not a violent or crime-filled country like, you know, my own country. But it's not a violent community as far as I know, but I just still, you know, it's just not me coming home late. Even in Jamaica, like, I don't do that. Anywhere I go, I try not to reach home when it's nightfall, unless I drive or get a drive with somebody. So yeah, I'm here. It's after 3 or minutes to 4, and the rest of the day is just relaxation. Yeah. All right, peace until the next time you see me. So I ordered stewed chicken with lentil and rice. So I guess it's like our alternative of rice and peas. Okay. This is what it looks. The lentil and rice, stewed chicken. I'm guessing both are green banana. No, this has to be green banana. I don't know what that is. Right banana or plantain, or probably green plantain and green banana. I don't know. And some cabbage with some sauce on it. I didn't ask for these two. I guess these just come with every meal. But this is what I ordered, and this was for $10. So I'm gonna eat that now.